This one here don't need to be rebuilt no more. As you can tell, it is time for me to trade. Yep, it is time to trade this one because it's just got too much wear on it to try to rebuild it anymore. I got another deck that I can rebuild, and I'll show you why this one here don't need to be rebuilt no more. This is another part of another shot of the top of it. And this here is really the reason I don't need to fool with it anymore, because the deck won't be stable enough. It'll wiggle when you go over unlevel places and cause the blade to strike, and that's not good. If it's striking every time you turn around, you're gonna have early problem of it messing up the bearings, and it would do the same things it's doing right here. It's gonna get the bearing all too hot from it wobbling and striking, that it will cause it to slip out of place out of the towel, and then it's no more good. This one here, I don't really have no complaints. It's a Craftsman, and it's been really good. It's about 20 years old. So it is time for me to trade or swap it in on another one.